Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where chaos meets creativity and somehow it works out. Today we are creating clouds that look like they belong in a fantasy world, where colors behave like they are on vacation and everything feels magical. Yep, clouds. But make them fabulous, sparkling, and slightly radioactive looking. Let's go. So, first thing first, we have got our sketchbook, a sketch pencil, and a handful of markers that cost slightly more than my emotional stability. The plan is to create a sky full of fluffy neon clouds. Watch me as I bravely commit to the page with zero planning. Kids, don't try this at home. Or do, I'm not your parent. I start by sketching these puffy outlines with bright pink, basically giving my clouds a hot pink aura like they are having a spiritual awakening. These shapes don't need to be perfect. In fact, the more uneven they are, the more they look like actual clouds. Or cotton candy clumps. Both are valid aesthetics. Once the outline are down, I begin filling in the spaces with layers of purple and some blues. To make the clouds pop, I add darker purples and blues in the creases. This gives everything that fluffy, dramatic look. Think storm clouds, but make it fashion. There's a lot of layering going on here, and yes, your markers might cry a little. That's okay, we have all cried during a creative process. Now for my favorite part, highlights. I take a white pen and add these curly little strokes all over the clouds. It instantly makes them look whimsical, like each cloud got its own personal glow up montage. Then I leave a soft, open space in the middle for the sky. A pale yellow background helps everything feel warm, dreamy, and slightly like a fantasy novel cover. Finally, I sprinkle in these tiny blue stars. And there it is, a neon cloudscape that's look like the sky took a trip to an 80s roller rink. The colors blend, the highlights shine, and honestly, I'm obsessed. It's kind of drawing that says, yes, I have emotions. If you enjoyed this aquatic artistic journey, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, clap twice, spin around. Okay, maybe just the first two. And drop a comment if you want more dreamy skies or if you just want to say hi. Thanks for hanging out with me today and see you in the next one.